Babies want some food. You want some food this morning? Oh, hey! Look at you guys. Oh, look at all of that. Good morning, Tweeter Tweets. Boy, you're getting big, ain't you? Look at you. Boy, you are big, aren't you? Look at you guys. Yummy, yummy. You got some yummy, yummy for your tummy? I know you're not gonna let me touch you. I know. Can I touch you? Can I pet you? You gonna run from me? Don't be running from me. Here, can I touch you? Here. Let me see. Good girl. Good boy. Hi. Hey. Tweety. All right, y'all enjoy your breakfast. Y'all have a good one, okay? Let's see, how's the water look? They got enough. All right, there y'all go. Yeah, Mr. Rooster.